Okay, this is the third video of page 52, and we're going to go over the construction and the moving problems. So, as you read through this, the $15 per hour, construction company charged $15, that's your M, for debris removal, plus a one-time fee for the use of trash dumpster. The total fee is 9 hours of service. For 9 hours of service is $195. So you need to make a point here. Now the point is X1, Y1, understanding that it says X hours, so hours goes with your X1, which is 9 hours. Your Y is your fee. A fee is $195 for 9 hours, so you have 195 for your point. It asks you to write a point slope form. So that's Y minus blank equals blank times X minus blank, so you got to fill in the blanks. The Y1 is 195, because that's Y minus Y1, equals M. M is your slope or rate of change, 15, times X minus blank. And your blank here is 9, because that's X1. Then you simplify by distributing to get slope-intercept form. This is your point slope form. Then slope-intercept form, you go Y minus 195, you distribute here first, 15X minus 135, 15 times 9. Then you add 195 to put it in slope-intercept form, because slope-intercept form is Y equals MX plus B. In other words, solving for Y. And when you do, you get Y equals, by adding 195 to both sides, 15X plus 60. So that's your slope-intercept form. And then what is the fee for the use of the team truck trash dumpster? It's $60. That's your starting amount plus $15 an hour. So your starting amount is $60 for the trash dumpster plus $15 per hour. That's why that's 15 is sitting right there. All right, the moving one is kind of the same idea. There is a daily fee for renting a moving truck plus a charge of 50 cents per mile driven. It costs $64 to rent a truck on a day when it is driven 48 miles. So we got to make a point. How do we get 48 and 64 there? Where X is your miles driven. So miles driven is 48. So you put a 48 in for X, X1. Your Y1 is 64 because it says charge is your Y. Your charge is $64. So it's 48 miles, $64. So now we put 48, 64, and 50 into our point slope equation. Y minus blank equals blank times X minus blank. We fill in the blanks. 64 is our Y1. That's where that goes, because it's Y minus Y1 equals M. M is your slope, 0.5, times X minus X1. X1 is 48. Substituting these three values, this one, and this one, in here. Then you simplify. To get it in slope-intercept form, we want it Y equals. Okay, Y equals MX plus B. Well, we want Y equals. So how do you get Y equals? You first distribute. 0.50 times X is 0.50X. 0.50 times 48 is negative 24. Then you add 64 to both sides to get rid of that 64. And you get Y equals 0.50X, which is 50 cents a mile, like here, plus $40. $40 is your daily fee. It's going to cost you $40 for renting the truck right off the bat, plus 50 cents per mile. And that's how you'd write that equation. And that's part 3 of this page.